A Bitcoin wallet is a software program that stores private and public keys, and allows users to send and receive Bitcoins. There are several types of wallets available, including software wallets and hardware wallets. Software wallets are software programs that can be downloaded and installed on your computer or mobile device. These wallets are convenient and easy to use, but they also carry a higher risk of security breaches. Hardware wallets, on the other hand, are physical devices that store private keys offline. These wallets are considered to be the most secure type of wallet, as they are not connected to the internet and therefore cannot be hacked. In this chapter, we will also take a look at the security measures in place to protect your Bitcoins. From passphrases and two-factor authentication to cold storage and multi-signature transactions, we will explore the various techniques used to keep your Bitcoin safe. In general, a wallet in the context of cryptocurrency refers to a software program or service that allows users to store, send, and receive digital assets. A wallet can be thought of as a digital version of a physical wallet, where users keep their money or valuables. In the case of Bitcoin, a wallet is used to store, send, and receive the digital currency. Bitcoin wallets come in different forms, including software wallets that can be installed on a computer or mobile device, and web wallets that can be accessed through a web browser. One important aspect of a Bitcoin wallet is its ability to generate and manage private keys. A private key is a secret number that allows the owner of a Bitcoin address to access and spend the Bitcoins associated with that address. Another important aspect of a Bitcoin wallet is its ability to interact with the Bitcoin network. This includes broadcasting transactions to the network, receiving confirmations of those transactions, and checking the balance of a given address. Bitcoin wallets can also have different levels of security and privacy. Some wallets offer more advanced features like multi-signature functionality, which allows multiple users to control the same funds, or deterministic seed phrase recovery, which allows users to recover their funds in case of loss or theft of their device. A non-deterministic wallet, also known as a random wallet, is a type of Bitcoin wallet that generates new private keys randomly. These private keys are not derived from a seed, and therefore cannot be recreated if lost. This means that if the wallet is lost or destroyed, the user will not be able to access the funds associated with those private keys. Non-deterministic wallets are considered less secure than deterministic wallets, as they can be easily lost or stolen and the funds cannot be recovered. Examples of non-deterministic wallets include software wallets that generate new private keys each time they are used, as well as hardware wallets that use a random number generator to create new private keys. HD wallets, or hierarchical deterministic wallets, are a type of Bitcoin wallet that use a seed phrase to generate a tree of key pairs. This allows for a more organized and secure way of managing multiple keys and addresses. The seed phrase is a set of words that can be used to recover the wallet if it is lost or stolen. HD wallets are defined in BIP32 and BIP44, two Bitcoin improvement proposals. BIP32 defines the structure of the seed phrase and key derivation, while BIP44 defines a standard for the generation of addresses and the management of change. HD wallets offer a number of benefits over traditional wallets, such as improved security and backup options, as well as the ability to easily generate new addresses. In the world of Bitcoin wallets, seeds and mnemonic codes, BIP39, are a way to back up and restore a wallet. A seed is a random string of words that can be used to recreate a wallet, including all its private keys and addresses. Mnemonic codes are a way to represent the seed in a human-readable format, making it easier for users to back up and restore their wallets. The BIP39 standard defines a specific way of generating mnemonic codes from a random seed, and it is widely used in many different wallet software implementations. It's important to note that the seed and mnemonic codes are the most important part of a wallet, as they are the only way to recover the wallet in case of loss or damage. It is important to keep them safe and secure. In general, when it comes to managing Bitcoin wallets, it is important to follow best practices in order to keep your funds secure. Some key considerations include keeping your private keys and seed words safe and secure. This means not sharing them with anyone, and storing them in a secure location such as a physical hardware wallet or a secure, encrypted digital file. Being aware of the different types of wallets available and choosing one that best suits your needs. For example, if you are looking for a high level of security, a hardware wallet may be the best option. Keeping your software and wallets updated to ensure that they are secure against known vulnerabilities. Being aware of phishing attempts and other types of fraud, and taking steps to protect yourself against these threats. Being mindful of the risks associated with using online and mobile wallets, and taking steps to protect yourself against these risks. Regularly monitoring your transactions and account balances to ensure that everything is in order. By following these best practices, you can help to ensure the safety and security of your Bitcoin funds. When using a Bitcoin wallet, it is important to understand the different types of wallets available and choose the one that best suits your needs. There are several types of wallets, including software wallets, hardware wallets, and paper wallets. Software wallets are digital wallets that can be installed on a computer or mobile device. Hardware wallets are physical devices that are used to store private keys offline. Paper wallets are physical documents that contain a person's private keys, often in the form of a QR code. Another important aspect of using a Bitcoin wallet is understanding how to properly secure it. This may involve using a strong password or passphrase, enabling two-factor authentication, and keeping your private keys offline. Additionally, it is important to regularly back up your wallet and keep your software up to date to ensure maximum security. It is also important to be aware of the different features and functionality that may be available in your chosen wallet, such as the ability to create multiple addresses, import and export private keys, and manage multiple accounts. Finally, when using a Bitcoin wallet, it is important to be familiar with the process of sending and receiving payments. This may involve understanding how to create and use addresses, how to check the status of transactions, and how to properly handle errors or issues that may arise. In general, a Bitcoin wallet is a software application that allows you to interact with the Bitcoin network. It allows you to send and receive transactions, view your balance and transaction history, and manage your private keys. There are different types of wallets, such as mobile wallets, desktop wallets, hardware wallets, and web wallets. Each type has its own set of features and security measures. When it comes to the technical details, a Bitcoin wallet typically consists of two main components: the wallet software and the wallet file. The wallet software is the program that you use to interact with the Bitcoin network, while the wallet file is the file that stores your private keys. The format of the wallet file can vary depending on the wallet software, but it is usually encrypted to protect the private keys from unauthorized access. Some wallets use a single private key, while others use a hierarchical deterministic (HD) structure, which allows for the generation of many private keys from a single seed. HD wallets also make it easy to back up and restore the wallet, as well as to generate new receiving addresses. Mnemonic code words, also known as BIP39, is a way to represent a large number, such as a private key, in a human-readable format. This format is a list of words, typically 12 to 24 words long, that can be used to recreate the original number. This is useful for creating backups of private keys or for creating seeds for hierarchical deterministic wallets. The mnemonic code words are generated from a random number and are generally considered to be more secure than writing down a private key, as it is harder for someone to guess the correct sequence of words. Additionally, the BIP39 standard also includes a checksum to detect errors in the entered words. An optional passphrase can also be added to the mnemonic phrase for added security. This passphrase is not included in the seed phrase and is not required to generate the private key. However, it can be used to further protect the seed phrase from being accessed by unauthorized individuals. One important feature of BIP39 is the option to add a passphrase to the mnemonic phrase. This can add an extra layer of security, as the generated private key will only be derived if the correct passphrase is provided in addition to the mnemonic phrase. HD wallets, also known as hierarchical deterministic wallets, are a type of wallet that use a single seed to generate a tree of key pairs. This seed is often represented as a mnemonic code, which is a string of words that can be used to recreate the seed and restore the wallet. To create an HD wallet from the seed is used as the root of the key tree, and child keys are derived from it using a specific algorithm, such as BIP32 or BIP44. These child keys can then be used to generate addresses for receiving and sending funds. Creating an HD wallet from the seed allows for a more organized and secure way of managing multiple keys and addresses, as well as the ability to easily back up and restore the wallet. In Bitcoin, private child key derivation is a method of generating new private keys from a single parent private key. This is typically done using a hierarchical deterministic (HD) wallet, which is a type of wallet that can generate a tree of key pairs from a single seed. The seed is used to create a master private key, which is then used to generate a series of child private keys. These child private keys can be further used to generate even more child private keys, creating a tree-like structure. This allows for a more organized and secure way of managing multiple private keys, as the child keys can be used for different purposes or kept separate for added security. A parent private key and an index number are used as inputs to derive a child private key. The index number can be hardened or non-hardened. Hardened derivation is used to create a child key that is completely independent of the parent key, while non-hardened derivation is used to create a child key that is derived from the parent key. Once a child key is derived, it can be used to generate a child public key and a child address. The child address can then be used to receive funds. The child private key can be further used to derive more child keys, creating a tree-like structure. In Bitcoin, an extended key is a base 58 encoded string that is used to generate child keys. It consists of a private or public key, a chain code, and a depth. The chain code is a 256 bits long value that is used to generate child keys, and the depth is used to indicate the level of the key in the HD key hierarchy. Extended keys can be used to generate both private and public child keys, and they are used in HD wallets to generate a tree of key pairs from a single seed. The extended key can be used to generate a unique address for each transaction or can be shared to manage funds collectively. The extended keys are encoded in base 58 check format and can be used to create a hierarchical structure of keys for added security and organization. Public child key derivation is the process of generating public keys from the seed. This can be done by using a specific set of rules, such as the BIP32 standard. This allows for a more organized and secure way of managing multiple keys and addresses.